Welcome back to COVID cooking, home cooking during the lockdown. Right, today I'm going to cook chicken curry or Kare Ayam in Indonesia. Okay, to make chicken curry, of course you need a chicken. So this is chicken legs and cut into pieces like so, and then the bone's still there. But if you like, you can get rid of the bones and just use the chicken fillets or chicken breast. That doesn't matter. You need cooking oil, candle nuts, turmeric, red chili, garlic, salt, large red chili, lemongrass, white pepper, palm sugar, and coconut milk. Here will be need to add it later on is galangal, lemongrass, coriander seeds, bay leaves, and kaffir lime leaves. And for the garnish, I use a large red chili, sliced shallot, and garlic. So this will be cooked first. Okay, first thing you need to cook is the garnish. So I know this is a bit strange, but you do need to cook the garnish first. So basically, a hot pan, maybe with 3 dessert spoon of cooking oil, and then still not hot yet, but you go the shallot straight away. If you haven't got any shallot, use Spanish onion, that will do. And the garlic goes straight away in there. So saute this until slightly golden brown. Okay, this is already looking slightly golden brown, so you need to turn the fire off and then strain this or drain this. Okay, the next job will be the chili, the large chili. You might as well use the jalapeno or any, or red pepper, anything. So basically that's what you need. A few seconds, turn the fire off, and the dish is ready. You don't want to cook more than that. Okay, I haven't changed the oil or anything in there. Medium fire, and then the next job is the chicken. So fry off the chicken just until slightly golden brown. That's it. Okay, when the chicken reaches this kind of color, slightly golden brown, you don't want to be too cooked in there, because you want the flavor goes into the curry. Okay, so that's enough, and then turn the fire off, take the chicken out. Okay, next we drain the cooking oil. Okay, just slip in there about 1 dessert spoon. That's for frying the bumbu. Okay, candle nut. There you go, and garlic. So saute that a little bit until the garlic is slightly soft. Okay, next job is the lemongrass and a large chili goes in there. Give a shake like that, and then goes in the turmeric and the small chili. Give a good shake in there. You just need to saute a couple minutes of this, like so, and then add the palm sugar in there. Boom. Cook for a few seconds, maybe about 30 to 40 seconds. And that should be ready to blend that. Okay, when your bumbu already blended. So you need to turn the pan on, or the stove on, and add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and in there goes this your bumbu, the curry bumbu here. So we saute this bumbu again for a minute or so. You don't want more than that. Make sure your fire low to medium, just to bring back the aroma from the bumbu out. So this is just need 1 minute to add the chicken. Goes all the chicken and let it mix with the bumbu on a low heat like that, so the chicken can absorb the bumbu. Okay, just leave it for a minute or so. Turn the fire into really low, so it's not spitting everywhere and then not dried out. Okay, just wait like this for maximum of 1 minute. Okay, that's already 1 minute, and then we add water in there, 150 ml. 150 ml water. Bring the heat up into medium. Okay, so there we go. That's what it's look like at the moment, waiting for the water to be boiled. Okay, we're just waiting for the chicken to be cooked and then the water to be reduced. Okay, there we are. In Indonesia, there is many versions of curry. So this version, I will add a vegetable in it. So the vegetable I use is the potato. So halfway through, just add potato in, cut into dice, and chayote. So this is a nice vegetable to add it in there. But you don't have to add vegetable, or if you want any vegetable to add it in there, that will be fine. If you don't know about chayote, this is what it looks like. So it's like a squash, middleburn squash or something like that in English. But anyway, this is a chayote. Okay. Okay. After the vegetable in, and then goes in the galangal. I just slice them like that. Make sure it's clean, so there's no grit in it. And lemongrass, smashed lemongrass, 2 bay leaves, and 3 pieces of kaffir lime leaves goes in there. Give a good stir. That's cooking nicely. And then I add coriander seeds. So I didn't blend it or smash it. I just want something spicy, something hot, bursting when you're eating curry. So goes in there. Okay, and let it cook slowly. On the low heat for a maximum of 30 minutes to 45 minutes, depending how much curry you made, really. So if you're making for 5 people, probably take longer. So this is for 2 person, so it should be about 45 minutes to be done. Okay, now just waiting to get the all flavor infused in there. Okay, when you're cooking curry, so whenever the juice getting dry before the meat cook or the vegetable cook, it's very easy. What you do is just add it hot water, a little bit more, probably about 75 ml in there, and then let it cook again, so until the curry properly cook. Okay, the curry already almost done. Okay, so the vegetable already cooked nicely, chicken already cooked. Now the time to add salt. Okay, so just a good pinch of salt, and then give a good stir like that, and then have a good taste before taking them off. Okay, that's already tastes already nice. But if you want to be a bit adventurous, you can add a fish sauce or nampla into it. So that's give the curry flavor more depth. What you need is just about 1 dessertspoon of fish sauce goes in there, and then the curry flavor will be really deep and very powerful. So you do need the curry taste strong, because this will be eaten with plain rice. So basically the rice will be absorb some of the flavor of the curry. So here we are, and then have another taste. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, this is already half an hour, and everything already cooked very nicely. And this time I will be adding santan or coconut milk here. So why I add coconut milk last? Because I don't want to have too much coconut milk, and then this is about the cholesterol as well. So if you're counting your cholesterol or about healthy food, so it's okay with santan or coconut milk, but add it last. Yeah. So in there goes 4 dessertspoon of coconut milk. Turn it down really low, the fire, like that, and let the santan infuse in there, or the coconut milk infuse with the rest of the curry. So you don't want really boiling in there, just simmering. Hi, in order for me to keep going making COVID cooking video series, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification button, so if there is a new video you will get notified. If it's boiling, the coconut milk will be split, and then your curry will be oily. So that's, you don't want oily curry, you just want nice, smooth, flavorsome curry. So I'll have another taste. That's perfect. Very nice and thick. Okay, that's, you have your Indonesian chicken curry or Balinese chicken curry. And then last, before we serving it, fried onion or fried shallot and garlic. So this is just for adding flavor in it. Okay, and of course the red chili.